Exercises for knock knees. First one, figure of 4 stretch lying down. Lie down on your back, keep one leg on the opposite knee, hold on to the thigh and pull the knee towards you. Hold the stretch for 2 to 3 seconds. This stretch helps in relieving your lower back and the hip muscles. This stretch is to be done 5 times each side. You must remember that knock knees problem is solved over a period of 8 to 12 weeks when you decide to exercise regularly for 5 days per week. Cross stretch. Lift one leg straight up and cross onto the other side. Make sure that the knee is straight. If you're lying on the floor, try to touch your foot onto the ground. Repeat the stretch 5 times each side. Don't get scared if there is a click in your lower back when you're doing the stretch. It's a normal response and it only eases your back. Friends, if you like this exercise program, do look out on other videos we've made and do subscribe to our channel. Coming on to the next exercise. Butterfly stretch. Sit with both your feet close, pull them close to your body and flap your knees downwards to stretch the knees around 5 to 10 times. Now bend forward from your lower back to further stretch your inner thigh muscles. Repeat this exercise 10 times. All 4 to downward dog. Come on both your arms and knees. Push both your knees back to go into a downward dog position or mountain pose or Parvatasana. Once you're confident with this downward dog, move into a downward dog to plank. This is the ultimate stretch for your lower back and the back of your legs, which will help you indirectly in dealing with the knock knees. Seated figure of 4 stretch. Keep one leg on the opposite knee and keep your back straight and bend forwards. Repeat the stretch 5 times on each side. Most of the stretches are recommended to be done 5 to 10 times on each side, not more than that. They can be done before or after the strengthening program. Now coming to strengthening exercises, bridges. Bend both your legs, squeeze your buttocks and lift your seat up. Start with 10 repetitions and move on to 20. Remember, this is just the beginner level program and there are 2 more levels which you need to reach up to solve your knock knees problem. Coming on to the next exercise, the chair pose. As you can see, I pressed my lower back and lifted both my legs up to a 90-90 position, as if you were sitting on a chair. Press your lower back, lift both your legs and hold for 5 seconds. If you feel confident, try to hold for a longer time, like 10 seconds, and repeat this exercise 10 times. Side kicks. Lie down on a side, keep both your legs straight, tighten the knee and lift one leg straight up. This is one of the most important exercise of the program which you need to strengthen the muscles on the side. Repeat this exercise 10 times and try to increase to a number of 20 repetitions in a span of 1 to 2 weeks. Repeat the exercise on the other side. Keeping the knee straight. Next one, clamshells. For this, you need to keep a pillow in between both your knees. Keep both your feet together. Make your back stable and then turn your knee out. This exercise helps in working on the muscles on the side of the knee which help in rotation. If you turn your lower back, the required muscles will not be engaged, and hence we need to do the exercise maintaining the back stable. Reverse clamshells. Similarly, this time you want to keep the knee stable and turn the foot out. Clamshells and reverse clamshells further help in strengthening the hips and knees and indirectly help in improving the knock knee posture. Start with 10 repetitions and move on to 20 repetitions. Optionally, you can do clamshells without pillow, but for beginners, we recommend to take a pillow because any mistake in the exercise will not help in engaging the right muscles. Most of my clients find these exercises difficult. They can feel pain in their buttock area after or during the exercise, and that's a normal response. It's just a response that your muscles are getting stronger. If you feel there is pain after doing this exercise, just do icing over your buttock and lower back and you will be fine. Or go for a walk. Make sure that you try to finish the beginner level program in 1 or 2 weeks and go on to the second level. Lower leg kicks. Lie down on a side. Keep the lower leg straight and bring the top leg in front. Now what I've done is I've tightened the kneecap of the lower leg and I lift one leg straight up. Start with 10 repetitions and build on to 20 repetitions. So as you can see, indirectly we are strengthening the leg from front, from back and from side and solving your knock knee problem. Next one is the seated knee extension. Keep your back stable. It should not bend, it should be straight, and then straighten your knee. Simple exercise to be started with 20 repetitions, and over a period of 2 weeks you have to build up to 100 repetitions. Throughout, your back should be stable. Try to sit without any back support and do this exercise. Solving knock knees is easy. Maintaining the exercise program for a long time, having the motivation is the difficulty, what I've seen in my clients. Next one is calf raises. Simple. Keep your feet hip length apart and lift your heels up. Start with 20 repetitions and build on to 10 repetitions and build on to 20. I hope you like these exercises. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. I will be coming out with the